In this video, I will show you how to get Netflix on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, with the release of the Nintendo Switch 2, as at the time of making this video, Nintendo does still not natively support Netflix on the device, but obviously there is actually a workaround for this, and that is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. So first things first, what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. So just scroll downwards and then scroll horizontally until you get to the settings icon over here. Go ahead and select that, and then you just want to scroll down continuously until you get to the internet settings over here. Select that as well, click on internet settings, and then just allow the Nintendo Switch 2 to search for all of the available Wi-Fi's and hotspot network. Once it finds the name of your Wi-Fi or hotspot network, you can go ahead and select it from over here. Now, instead of connecting to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network directly, you want to scroll down to the change settings over here, select that. And at this point, you just want to continuously scroll down until you get to the DNS settings over here. Go ahead and select that. By default, it should actually be set to automatic, but you just want to select it and then set it to manual over here. Now, what you want to do next is to make sure that you change your primary DNS to what I have over here. So you just want to go ahead and change it to 045.055.142.122. Once you're done, you can go ahead and save this by just scrolling over to the right and clicking on the save button over here. Click on OK. And once your changes has been saved, you can go ahead and try connecting to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network now. Click on connect to this network, and eventually the connection is actually going to fail, but that is exactly what we want. Now just go ahead and click on the OK button over here, and automatically this page is actually going to open up on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the go to Google option over here. I'll just go ahead and expand this so you see very well. So click on the go to Google option over here. Automatically it is going to open up Google for you on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now what you want to do next is to just enter inside of this image field. So enter this image field, and then you want to go ahead and search for Netflix. So just go ahead and type Netflix inside of here. Click on the done button over here, then click on OK. And now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the first link over here, which should actually be the official Netflix website, which is netflix.com. Just go ahead and select that. And just like so, we now have Netflix running smoothly on our Nintendo Switch 2. Now you can go ahead and sign in by simply just clicking on the sign in button over here. So I'll just go ahead and click on that. And once you get to this page, what you just want to do is to go ahead and enter your Netflix email and your Netflix password, and then just click on the sign in button, and you should be able to sign into the Netflix website on your Nintendo Switch 2, and then proceed to watch and stream all of your Netflix content from your Nintendo Switch 2. Okay, so I just finished entering my email and my password, and then I'll just click on the sign in button over here. And as you can see, it works pretty well without any issues. So I can just go ahead and select my Netflix profile. And just like so, I have now been able to sign into Netflix on my Nintendo Switch 2 without any problem. And as you can see, all of my videos and all of my Netflix content actually loads pretty well without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.